Hello everyone, my name is Kapil Shah and you are watching Quick Market Analysis by Philan Academy. So in this week, market is improved by the 0.9 percentage, and this is an 18th week with an 18% gain. The market is moving consistently on the high side, and it touched the 20,000 level, very close to that. Now looking at another important levels for a coming week. So market has not broken the intraday levels as well. So let's say this is what a 2 days declining momentum that we have seen, and market is at it's in an immediate support level of the 19,700 around. So we can consider this is a bull zone as far as market is above the 19,700. The things are fine. Once we move below the 19,700 level, then we can extend some sort of selling pressure. Then the next best support level will be the 19,500 level, followed by the 19,350 level around. But this particular scenario will be possible once we see the market below the 19,700 level. As of now, market outlook is a positive. On the higher side, the immediate resistance that we have seen, that 19,850 were a couple of intraday turning points that we have seen, and on the high side 20,000 level around, this is what a second best resistance level that we have. So underlying tone is a positive. Market is under the bullish zone above the 19,700 level, below to that 19,500, 300. On the high side 19,850 is the first support level, 20,000 is the second support level. In this market, there are certain kinds of sectors where we are finding the good amount of traction. This is what a sector specific and stock specific market that we can see. So looking at a sector side, so here we are able to see that in this particular 0.97% or 92% where the market has improved, which sector has performed well. So here we are seeing that the PSU banks did well, metal, bank stocks, private bank, financial services, pharma, energy. So these are the couple of stocks that they have did quite well. And some of the sectors like a Nifty, IT, digital, it overlaps the Nifty IT only. So 3 to 4% declining momentum. Realty stocks, metal stocks, we have started to see some sorts of tractions. Auto stocks, which has been the flavor of the market a couple of weeks back, so it is on the flaggish note. But overall, looking at the broader texture of the market, the things are still positive. And sector-wise, stock-wise, we are seeing some sorts of tractions. So let's say if I take some of the stocks from the banking stocks just for the analysis purpose, so here banking stock has given the good breakout, and here I have created my watch list for my next week. This is not a recommendations, but this is what my bull stocks and bad stocks to keep under my radar to study the things into the coming week, how the things are panning out. So here I am seeing that banking stock, FMCG stocks, auto stocks, they are continuously mover. Maybe sometimes for a 1 week they underperform and then they pick up its momentum, but they are into positive momentum. But some of the visible reversal sign that I am observing is under the oil and gas sector and metal sectors, and whereas there are some sectors which are into the severely negative momentum. One is the cement sector and one is a chemical sector, which is underperforming quite well. Apart from that, these are the stock lists that I have prepared for myself to have an eye on the coming time. So I can call this as my radar list. So these are the couple of stocks technically which I find well. I will take a couple of stocks and then you can scroll by yourself that what are the stocks that fits to you and what your technical studies stays on that. So let's say for example banking stocks are doing well, and we have seen that right now the small caps and mid cap stock has started to do quite well. So I have two stocks, CSB and CUB. One is a bullish continuation sign a pattern, and one is a bullish reversal sign pattern. So let's focus on these two stocks. CSB, so here if I come to the CSB, it has a very good technical structure actually. So this is what is CSB Bank. Right now we can see that this is what a flattish momentum. But if you look at a monthly chart of it, so here I understand the stock in this particular way. It has been under the very good momentum. The recent declining momentum that happened along with in a broader market. This was it's in a falling channel, I can say. So if we see the things on a very minute basis, we get lots of good clarity. So this was the kind of the falling channel that we can see. The low that is registered, it has a technical significance level. So if I just put the horizontal line at this particular low, considering this particular bottom, so I understand that it has a connection to its in the last time reversals point. So this is what a turning point that we have seen. Prices has picked up its fresh momentum, and then it come down to this level, and again we are into the positive momentum. Now with this particular positive momentum, I can connect the dots, and this pans out like this. So this is what an upward sloping channel that I have. So after the downward falling channel, prices started to pick up its momentum. Now here one more thing to plot in is the horizontal line again, because this is what my last time's hurdle level. Market has stock has reacted from this level, couple of time it has reacted from this level on a weekly basis. Many of the times, I think for the 1.5 one, two, three, four, 6 months, prices has resistance around the 250 level. Finally, it gave the breakout, little bit cooled off, and now again the prices started to pick up its momentum. So this is what I can say, that overall trend was positive. There was a corrective decline in momentum. It held at a significant level. Prices started to got into the upward channel. It has broken its in the previous base. Now again it is continuing momentum. So this is a bullish continuation sign, I can say. And this is the monthly chart where we try to understand the structure of it. Now on the weekly chart, you can cleanly see this. These are resistance, and we emphasize this particular study a lot. Okay, breakout, retest, and then follow up. In our educational session, we talk about this in this way. पहला दाव भगवान का दूसरा दाव अपना. So first move happens, second move that has happened. Now it is trying to pick up its momentum. The third move. This is what the daily chart we are seeing. Okay, fine. So daily chart, the prices has come down a bit. It has started to take the support at the 27 period moving average, or I can say that okay, this is what is the next best level. So whenever I see that there is some sort of reversal signs are happening, or there is a breakout of this particular trend line happens, so this gives me the idea that there is a bullish continuation sign also there. So I don't know which will pan out first, whether the stock will continue to come down or whether it will revert down, but I have the two levels. If the price is coming down, then 275 280 level can be the good level, and if the prices are not coming down to this level and it breaches this particular trend line on the high side, so this becomes my stop loss, and with this I can look for the higher side. So this is what a bullish continuation sign. Same way, if I look at a CUB bank, so this is what the CUB bank, it has underperformed stock. The structure is good, but the momentum is lacking. So a little bit from the positional perspective that I can see. First of all, we need to pay attention of this particular monthly long-term positional moving average, which is what this one orange color line. So since 2009 or maybe longer back to that, 2002, so 20 years history that we have. First time it touched this level, went up. Second time it touched this level, went up. Third time, fourth time, fifth time. So this is what basically the consolidation patches, but it is finding its fit around this particular moving average. So recently the prices are around this particular moving average. For the 4 months, it has formed the base within some sorts of a bad trap. Uh, Here you can see the bad trap prices has come down. Second, so let's say this is what a previous low, prices has deepened to this, but again prices has found the support to its in the previous levels. And this is one of my favorite pattern, the double bottom kind of thing. The first time price hit this level, second time it retest, and then it start to pick up its momentum. So there is a good sign. On the daily chart, if I see, prices have started to form higher and higher low sequence. This is little bit consolidation patch that I am seeing. But once I see that the prices are moving above this particular level, so 131, the current level only, the once the prices moves above this level, then it gives you a confirmation time kind of thing. Okay, this is what the bullish reversal sign is panning out. So in this case, this becomes my stop loss, and on the high side, this is what my first resistance level, and this is what my second resistance level that I can see. The structure is not fine. Structure is fine, but momentum is not so that, because as it is moving below the moving averages, so this can be the upside potential that I can see. So this is what the market key levels, sector specific, which are the momentum that we have seen, and the stock specific, which I like it. I have taken a couple of the stocks from my list only, but yes, you can go through the rest of the examples like Marico, HUL. So this is the little bit of contra bet for me, but this is what fitting as per my technical setups and as per my able settings. Some of the selling pressure that we are witnessing in iShares and Sri Cement, as I was mentioning that chemical cement stocks are a little bit on the bearish side, and many of the stock you will find that they are breaching their support levels as well. So let's say this is what Ramco Cement. Last week we have initiated a call on Ramco Cement on the sell side as well. So we have achieved our target in this within a 4% gain. So these are the kind of thing that we need to look at. Let me take the bearish setup ones as well. So let's say Sri Cement. So if I come to the Sri Cement, so this is Sri Cement. Price. Many of the stocks are at an upper band of consolidation in positive momentum, but its upside momentum halted for a couple of months. This is a monthly chart, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months it got stuck at it's in a previous resistance level. Now on the weekly chart, we are seeing that okay, whatever the base that it has formed, it came up, but then again it has started to come down. So this was a very weak month for the Sri Cement, that is 5% down. And on the daily chart, whatever the base that we have seen, so it has started to come down. So there are certain kind of the bearish stocks that we can also have an eye on. So this is from my side. We have discussed about the market, sector, and the stock specific development. I have shared my uh, watch list with you. This is not the recommendations, but just the stocks under my radar. And whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose. If you like the content, you can subscribe to our channel and see you into the next video. Thank you so much once again.